Hello guys and welcome to the part 1 of this video. So before we start, please consider the following requirements. You must have a notepad or any other text editor if you would like, but I would recommend to start with the notepad and any modern web browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, Mozilla, Edge, Safari or Opera. And now I'm going to tell you the final product after this video. So this is our final product. We are going to make this. So after completion of this video, you should be able to write a simple code that generates a very simple output as a beginner. So let's dive into our first program of the HTML. So let's start our journey. I have opened the notepad file. So most of our work we will do in our notepad file. And after we get used to this notepad file, we will use some other softwares for editing purpose that are much advanced and they have much more features as compared to notepad, but for the beginners I think it is the best one. So let's start. uh, to write the HTML code, the first thing we need is we have to write the HTML code. That is the start of our HTML, and then we have to write this angle bracket / HTML. That's the closing of our HTML file. Then within this HTML file we have to mention two more tags. One is head and the other one is the title. So I have closed the head. Here I have the title, and then I will close this title. Okay, here I'm going to write something and you will get to know in a few minutes or in a few seconds that why I'm writing this. So here I will write my first web page, and after head, the second main element, the most main element where most of our work will be, that's the body tag. So most of our work will be in this, the body tag. So this is a very simple basic HTML program that we have written. So how to save it? Okay, first of all, what I'm going to do is I will go to my desktop and I will create a new folder, and the name of this folder will be HTML, and all of my files I will save in this folder. So let's go to file and then save, go to desktop, select that folder, and now name is very important here. So this is our first program, so I will give it a first, then without any space press the dot, then HTML, make sure there is no space over here, and then hit the save button. Now our file has been saved, so you can see the name has been changed, given to this file first. Let's open this folder, and here we have our very first file. So let's open it and see what's in there. Now you can see nothing because this completely blank area, white background, nothing over here. But one thing, please notice my first web page. You can see as a tab title. Then where I have written that, if you remember that within this title, I have written this thing, my first web page, and this is the exact same thing. So what does it mean? It means that whatever we write, we can go title will appear here. So just to make sure that does it really work, let me change it for you. So let's change it to something else. Let's say welcome to my web page. And after this, listen, you have to go to file and hit the save, and then go to your browser and hit this refresh button. You see the title has been changed. This was a very first and basic thing. Now we can see there is nothing over here because we haven't mentioned anything over here. So I will go to my body tag, and here I will write a very simple thing. This is my first web page. So then again I will go to file, hit the save and refresh, and here it is. So we have created our very first web page. Now suppose I have closed this one, I have closed this one as well. Now I have closed everything. So let's again go to our HTML. Now if I open this, I can see the file, the changes are already there, but how to open the notepad file, where is my notepad file, how to make changes to it. So there are different ways. One of them is open the notepad. The most easy way is select it, copy and drag it onto the notepad, and you will see the code here. And here you can make the changes. I am making the changes. Then again go to file, hit the save, go to your browser, refresh, and see changes have been reflected here. Please, if you want me to make more videos like these, please don't forget to subscribe and like all future videos. This will encourage me. And what we are going to have in next video, so please take a look. We will do a simple text editing text that we are going to use in our upcoming video. So thank you very much, and join me in my next video.